summary on the close. Does it make sense to blank? Does it make sense to sign the agreement? No. Got it. What's a good next step then? Then they'll tell you if there was something really holding them back versus you saying what's holding you back. Because if you say what's a good next step, then they will always tell you what's holding them back. If you say what's holding you back, even if nothing was holding you back, they'll make something up. If they don't know, point the question at yourself. What's a good next step for me? If they still don't know, set a next step. Hey, no problem. How about we do this? It's Wednesday right now. I'll call you Friday 4:30 if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Yeah, that works. Cool. Now between now and Friday, I'm prospecting. If you work in sales and you need to make twice as much money as you do right now to really enjoy your life, you've really only got 3 options. Option number 1, you can continue to work your butt off in the job you have right now, hoping for some sort of miracle to happen, where you start taking home double the money while doing things the exact same way you do them right now. That's pretty unlikely. Or option number 2, you can look for another job at a totally different company, hoping you're gonna catch some sort of once-in-a-lifetime wave where sales just seem to flow your way. All right, again, highly unlikely, and we both know waves in sales, well, they don't last very long. Or option number 3, you can click the button here and get instant access to a simple, straightforward sales process that will help you take home twice as much money as you do right now while putting in far less effort than you do today. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University, the most effective sales coaching system in the world. If you click the button, you're going to see how our interactive sales coaching portal and weekly live coaching sessions with me will help you double your income within 60 days. Easton University is more than an interactive sales coaching portal. It's more than being able to ask me questions in a live setting every single week. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the button. I will see you on the other side. Your life is about to get a lot better. Click through now.